guys, sorry about this weird angle. I am doing my makeup, as you guys can tell, and I do my makeup on my bed, so there's not really like a good spot to put you guys on my bed while I do my makeup. I'm just getting ready for the day. I have a few things planned to do today. I'm currently wearing my Unini PJs, as you guys can tell, because I didn't want to get into my outfit yet. I'm just chilling in my Unini PJs. It's a little warm in these PJs, I'm not gonna lie. I haven't actually like worn these yet, so this is my first time actually wearing them, except for the time I put them on to film my video where I showed them. Okay, sorry about this kind of bad lighting. Let's pick out an outfit of the day because I'm not going to be wearing this all day. This is the outfit. Sorry if you can hear any background noise. My mom's watching stuff in the living room. This is the outfit. The shirt is from Forever 21. Skirt is from, I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't know. I'm going to accessorize now because my neck is looking a little empty. So let me pick out some necklaces. For the first necklace, I'm just gonna wear my Vivienne Westwood pink pearl necklace. And then I just put on my Beads Cafe necklace on for the second necklace because I love this combination so much. I might curl my hair later in a bit, but right now I just don't feel like doing so. OOTD. Ignore the fact that I don't have any lipstick on. I just found my lipstick in this pile of a mess that is my desk. But I was just chilling for a little bit. I edited the little bit of this video I already have recorded just so I could get that out of the way and done. Now I'm gonna go eat. My mom picked me up a sprinkled donut at the store this morning, which makes me so happy. I got a donut at the store the other day, except it didn't have any sprinkles, which made me a little sad. Everyone took all the sprinkled donuts, but she picked me up 2 sprinkled donuts today. So life is good. I'm so up right now, but I'm gonna go eat my donut, probably watch some Riverdale because I am rewatching Riverdale. That show is like my guilty pleasure, not gonna lie. So I decided to curl my hair, but I'm doing it in my room like I've been doing the last few times I've been curling my hair. It's just so much easier to sit down and curl my hair than try and fight to stand up for like 20 minutes. I'm just curling my hair real quick, not doing too crazy of curls. I only had that in for like 10 seconds, I think. I'm just gonna sit here, curl my hair, and watch some Riverdale. And then I don't know what I'm gonna do afterwards. Honestly, I had some things planned today. Like, okay, I need to go to the post office later because I have a photo card that I need to send out because I'm doing a trade. I already received my end of the trade because they sent out first, which was a Shein card, which I can show you guys later, like when I actually go to take the card to the post office. So I need to go to the post office and I need to finish learning a dance because my friend Enha wants me to perform at her cup sleeve event that's in like less than 2 weeks. So I need to practice that dance. So I need to finish like properly learning it and then practice it until the day of because I cannot risk forgetting the dance. And then I also need to clean my room so then I can finish filming another video that you guys will be seeing hopefully this summer. I don't know if it's going to be out in June. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe June, maybe July. We shall see. But I'm going to finish curling my hair and then I'll get back to you guys once I am done because this is going to take me like 20 minutes. So, see you in a second. It is now the next day. I got busy doing some things yesterday so I couldn't finish recording this video, But I did end up going to the post office like I said I was going to do. And then I also went to the store, which kind of was like last minute. I just had to pick up some things, which I'll probably show you guys those here in a second. But I said I would show you guys the photo card that I traded for. So here it is. It is this really cute Shein card from their most recent album, Pop Up. It is so cute. Look at this Shein card. Oh my gosh, I'm finally building my Shein collection, which I am so excited about because I've been a Shein fan since SM Rookies days. Like, that has been my man since he was announced as a trainee. I just haven't really been able to collect him because I was focused on like my Stray Kids, then my Eugen. But now that I'm a little bit more caught up with my Eugen and not collecting Stray Kids as hardcore because that was a lot, I can kind of focus on some different collections, and that one is Shein currently. And I also got another thing in the mail, this Shein like slogan banner. I'll put the username of who I got this from here on the screen, but she was hosting this online, and she's also going to be giving these out at SM Town LA. I wanted to get this anyways, even though I'm not going because it's Shein. It did get a little damaged in the mail, sadly, but you know what, it's okay. It's just gonna go on my walls. It will be fine. But now that it's the next day, I need to finish doing the stuff that I was going to do yesterday. So let's get onto that. First, what I need to do is clean up my room because it is still messy. So I'm probably gonna film that and put snippets of it in this video. Get this under control a little bit, and then I will do the rest of the stuff that I need to do. So this is the progress that I've made so far with cleaning. I'm gonna go finish all this off camera and then get back to you guys when it's clean, just because this is kind of a lot. This is the progress of what I got done to my desk today. I kind of took a break from it and went and chilled for a bit because this just was overwhelming me, but I cleared a majority of it off and I am proud of myself for that. I am now in the bathroom to give you guys a haul of what I got at the store because it's all like kind of beauty products. So the first thing that I got is the Dove Volume and Fullness dry shampoo because I ran out of my dry shampoo. This is my first time using this one. It does leave like a white residue on the hair. As you guys can probably tell, my roots are a little wider than normal, but you know, I like it so far. And then I also got this Bouncy Curls layering hairspray. It's got a coconut scent to it, which I'm not a fan of coconut, but I will admit I smelled good today. Like, I smelled so good, because you'll see here in a second. And then I also got mousse. I didn't use this today, I just used this, but I'll end up using both eventually. Then I also got the Dove, this body wash. I needed a new body wash because I was running out of mine and I wanted to try something new. So I got this Dove one. It's the peony plus rose oil, plus rose oil, not rose. With the combination of this and this on me today, girl, I smelled fantabulous. Like, I smell so good. That is what I got at the store. Just beauty product stuff. Nothing special, just stuff that I have been needing. So yeah. Okay, it is pretty late and I'm about to go to bed, but before I go to bed, I want to give you guys a little haul of some cute stuff that I have gotten in the mail recently. Let's do that and then let's go to bed because I am getting tired. So the first things that I got are these cute little bunny hair clips. They are so cute and so soft. I love them so much. And then I got quite the selection of photo card holders. First one is this one. It just has some pink lace on it with a pink bow. And then I got one that's similar, but it has like this white fuzz with pink bows around it. And then these two top loader like deco put they're like keychains. I love that so much, so you can put it on your bag. The first one I got is this little kitty one. It's got kitty ears, obviously, a bow, and some wings down here. That is so cute. And then this kitty one, little bow, more bows, you know, throughout. Little star, little heart. And this is also a keychain. So I can now put these cute decorative top loaders on my bag, because I usually just put them in my bag. Like this one usually just goes in my bag when I bring it with me to places, but these can go on my bag. So I'm very, very excited about that. And these I think are my favorite things that I got. They are some cute little Esther bunny things. I got this plushie that was actually on the outfit that I wore at the beginning of this video in my like little white long sleeve. This was attached to my skirt. You guys might have seen that in like a clip, but she is just so freaking cute. I love her so much. This is like my twin. We both have blue eyes. And we're pink and love pearls. And then got a matching photo card holder, so this can go on my bag. Can never have too many photo card holders, I'm telling you guys. And the last thing that I got is this huge pack of stickers. Me and my friends were decorating top loaders, and I got a bunch of stickers for that, and I just keep getting more because I am just in my like top loader decorating era. I'll probably show you some top loaders that I decorated in like future vlogs once I decorate more, but for now, just know I got more stickers to do more decorating. This is the mini haul I have for you guys. I am going to go take off my makeup and get ready for bed, and then go to bed because it's already a little bit past my bedtime that I set for myself. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video of just like my daily life. This is stuff that I usually do on a day-to-day basis. Just simple, basic stuff. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So if you did, please let me know down below in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, lovelies.